István, thank you so much for joining us. How is Mole Group approaching Gen AI and AI?
AI and Gen AI is really just the next step for us in our digital evolution. We think about this in 5 steps. We have a framework for this. The first step is our vision business strategy. That's what we build on. From an analog view retailer, we are transforming ourselves into a digitally driven consumer goods retailer and a mobility service provider. So it's a big step for us, and everything we do is built on this. The second one is scale. Our business is now 2,400 locations in 10 countries. We are doing 500 million transactions in a year. We are selling 100 million cups of coffee and hot dog. And we use AI whenever we have the scale that warrants it. The third step is organizational readiness. We have built a digital factory team since 2018. This is a multidisciplinary team of product owners, designers, data scientists, data analysts, engineers who are able to implement these solutions. The fourth step in our framework is data and technology. Yeah, first you need to get your data into order, and we have implemented a data lake, a data analytics platform that brings together all our transactional customer master data into one place, and it allows us to analyze our performance, build tools on it, and we also implemented a tech stack, a market stack, and a CRM and loyalty program that allows us to communicate with our customers, personalize their experience, and this is the foundation on which we build AI. And then AI is really just the 5th step in this evolution. Now we have hundreds of business users, millions of customers using these technologies on a daily basis, and our business is becoming more intelligent day by day. And what we do with AI is just make ourselves even more intelligent and more accurate. So for example, when you take hot dog, we have a forecasting tool that is built on AI that forecasts our hot dog sales on an hourly basis per location, that helps our service station employees to make sure that we maximize sales and minimize waste. For personalization, we use generative AI and predictive AI to personalize the offers, personalize the message, so that customers feel more relevant, or what we do for customers feel more relevant. And the future for us is that in every business process, in every decision, we'll inject AI to make ourselves more accurate and more effective.
And how critical is the connection between AI strategy and overall business strategy?
I would say it's so critical that we don't even have an AI strategy. Our AI strategy is built on our business strategy. We start from the business. We start from what we want to achieve. We start where the value pools are. We start where the priorities are. And then we support those priorities with AI. So basically, our AI roadmap is defined by the business strategy that we have.
And what would your advice be for business leaders who are just now getting started on this AI transformation journey?
I would say don't skip the foundations. So, first, have a business strategy. Second, you need to make sure that you have the scale where you can apply AI. Third, you have to have the foundations, both from an organizational and from a technology point of view. We spent 5 years to build this, but that's what was needed for us in an entire region to become AI ready. Without that, you can only do pilots and proof of concepts.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much.